Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to edit Reels videos on Instagram Edits app. So first, open the application into your device and make sure to sign in into your account. And here at the homepage, just simply select the plus icon at the bottom right. And now from here, just simply allow. Now guys, I will be using this video for example and select the check icon on the top right. And now from here guys, you will have multiple editing options down below. You will have audio at the very first one, which you could select multiple audio to add into your video. And just simply select the arrow pointing to the right at the bottom to add it. And you could choose a part and select done once you are done. And as you can see, you could adjust the music based on your preferences or based on your video. And when you select it, you will have different options. You could split it, volume, fade, replace, or delete. So pretty much this will be depending on you. So let's say I'm going to delete it for now. And now you will have here text as well, which you can add a text. You will have a voice, which you could do a voiceover. You could have a caption, overlay, add a sound effect, and cut out as well, and sticker. So pretty much this is a simple editing tool. And from here, once you are done, you could just simply go ahead and select export on the top right corner. Now from here, just simply select continue to export. And from here, it will export your output and you should be able to edit it out. So pretty much guys, everything is self-explanatory and you could just simply explore the application. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.